But can I see?
Yeah, when it's all done. We're making it right now. This is a video of Luke and Nico, how they can walk in high heels. Okay, you guys, show me how you walk. Come on, little Nico. Very nice.
Why are you following us?
Because I'm walking in high heels too. Oh, Nico did a little jump. Now let's see your pretty legs. Oh, look at those nice legs.
It's yellow.
Yeah.
It's yellow.
Yeah.
Look, Mama. Abba.
You want me to get on Bob?
You
Just stepped on a fly. And then mommy's, look at mommy's fancy high heels.
Yeah, yours are.
Whoa, wee, with the sharp heel and the little
Mine
gray
has sharp
toe
heel
polish
too.
to match.
Mommy, I'm
Ooh,
high
la, la.
like you.
Do you like my shoes, Luke?
Those, that's pretty.
Yeah, thank you.
Really? The Tucker shoes are really pretty.
Thank you, I think so too.
It's yellow.
Well, first we have to finish making it. You say bye-bye video?
It's yellow.
Okay, you want to see a video?
Yeah.
Of who?
Mommy, can you look at the cards I have at the table?
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
What do you want to see a video of?
Yeah, picture.
Of who?
Wait.
Of Luke? Okay.
Wait.